How to make cannabis oil at home. If you're looking for a highly versatile cannabis product that you can easily create in the comfort of your own home, then look no further than cannabis oil. This infusion works well for everything ranging from edibles all the way to topicals. The process is simple. You just need a couple of things to make the cannabis cooking oil. 1. A carrier oil. This can be anything: canola, vegetable, coconut, olive, peanut, or sesame. It all depends on what you're comfortable with. 2. Cannabis flower of your choosing. 3. A double boiler or a slow cooker. 4. Fine mesh strainer. 5. Cheesecloth. 6. Glass bowl and a jar for storage. Now, before we list out the process, do remember that there will be a fairly strong odor around your kitchen, so be careful. It would be best not to have the kids or grandma around. The first step is to decarboxylate the cannabis flower. Decarbing refers to the act of turning THCA into THC, the psychoactive compound that is responsible for the euphoric effects. Just lay your cannabis flower on a pan lined with parchment paper and place them in an oven at 240 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Once that is done, break or grind up the cannabis flower. Be careful that you don't grind it too fine, otherwise you might end up with the powder in the final oil, which is not appetizing at all. The next step is to add the carrier oil of your choice along with the decarboxylated cannabis in a double boiler, slow cooker, or saucepan and simmer it on low heat for around 2 to 3 hours. And that's it. All you need to do is strain the mixture to get the perfect cannabis oil. This extracted oil has a shelf life of around 2 months, and you can use it as a topical or as cooking oil. The possibilities are endless. If you're planning to use it as an edible, our recommendation is to go low and go slow. Because it is very tough to gauge the potency of the oil, it is important to wait a couple hours when you first consume it to ensure that you don't go overboard. We hope that you enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you want more, please like, subscribe, and watch our other videos. This supports the channel and allows us to create more content for you to enjoy. Thank you.